Alright guys, in today's video I'm going to show you a really good ClickBank method or Digistore 24, whatever affiliate products you want to use. It's a pretty good method and you can get started on it right away. It's all 100% free and it's very high up traffic into the millions, which I'll show you, and it's all top tier traffic from the United States and good top tier places like that. So if this method sounds good to you, a good little ClickBank method that you can make some money with through doing this over and over and over, well, I'm going to show you one time, you should be able to make some pretty good money with ClickBank sales with this method. All right, well, let's go ahead and get started in on here right now, guys. We're just going to jump right into it here. One to come to over here, of course, is ClickBank. And if you don't have an account at ClickBank, guys, I know it's easy enough to go there, clickbank.com, and sign up, and then come back, get logged in after you verify your email account, your account with ClickBank, and then come back and click on Marketplace up here, guys, and it brings you to the affiliate marketplace page. And now, to shorten this up, I've just decided to pick on a health and fitness product. You can see I came down in the column on the left side here, guys, and I clicked on health and fitness right here, and it loaded up all the products for to do with weight loss mostly, and I sorted by gravity right here, as you can see. And I'm going to pick this top product right here, Exipure, right here. It's a really good weight loss product right here, and they have a good sales page on it. We click on it, we can see the sales page here, and it's a really good sales page, and people can read this and also choose to buy the product if that's what they want to do right here off of this page here. So, and then they have an affiliate page, but we're not going to need that today, I don't believe, so we'll just go on without it. Now you can make about $153 per sale on this, and it does have upsells, so you can potentially make even more than that, and it has recurring billing, it looks like right here, guys. So when people order each month, they're just going to get paid over and over and over again. Okay, all right, so what we're going to do is we'll come back here in a moment and we'll get this our affiliate link right here. All right, so then what we're going to do is I'm going to bring up a tiny URL because we'll be using that to shorten our affiliate link here in a little bit. All right, so now what we're going to do is we need to come over here. We're going to be using videos. A couple of weeks back, I did a ClickBank video or Digistore 24 video where I used another video site to show you how to upload videos on that. It was called rumble.com, I believe it was. And you can do that same thing here on what I'm going to show you today, right on this site that I'm going to show you that's really high traffic, like rumble.com was. So mainly what we're going to do is we want to come back and we want to get a video. We're going to be using videos to do this, and you can use a YouTube video. Now I typed in weight loss up here, you see, but one thing that you want to pay attention to is you want to make sure that you come over here and click on filters and choose Creative Commons so that you don't get caught for any kind of plagiarism or anything like that. Copyright or anything, issues like that. So you want to get the videos that you're allowed to use for any purpose, and that's Creative Commons, guys. And then I did a little search for it, and I just picked this video right here. You want to pick just a good video, not real long, but one that's got some really decent views on it. And this one was done 11 months ago, and it's got 62,000. It's only 6 minutes long. And I chose that video right there, and then I clicked on it. Yeah, stop that. And then take the link right here. You want to take your URL for the video right there. And then I did a search for download YouTube videos for free, and you'll find all kinds of them here, guys, to use. But I chose this one right here. It's called Vidiget YouTube downloader. And you can see I pasted that link in right there, and it gave the video to me right here. And you just want to choose the 720p MP4, 30 frames a second is plenty, and then click on download, and it will download it to your computer. And then once you get that done, so once you got your product, you got your video downloaded to your computer that you chose, and then what you want to do is we're going to come over here to this site right here. This is where we're going to be uploading these videos. And on this site, guys, you can see it's very similar to YouTube, and it's people upload videos here, and many people come and watch these videos, and they do have ClickBank videos on here too. As you can see, if I type in ClickBank and do a search, you'll see that there's all kinds of people that are like keto diet here, and they're selling CLICKBANK products on here as well, and you can see that now. So what we want to do is how much traffic does this site get? I told you it was very high traffic, right? Well, if I come up here and I click on my similar web extension here, and it brings it out right here off the side, you can see we're on Brighteon.com here. And if I scroll up here, guys, you can see that the monthly visits to this site is, well, it's almost 5 million people, guys. That's a lot of traffic. And if I scroll up a little farther here, you can see that the United States is 60% of that traffic. And then you've got Australia and Canada, and then Russia, and then the United Kingdom, which these are all the top tier countries in the world. So you've got some good quality traffic coming to this website right here. Now, so what you want to do is you want to click on create an account right here, guys, on this site, and it'll bring you over here to this. You can read this if you want to here, and you want to just put in your full name, put in a good email address, because like it says right here, a good working email address, because you're going to have to confirm your account. They're going to send you a confirmation email, get your account verified, come back and get signed in, and you'll have to put in the little captcha code here and click create an account and get your email validated. Come back and then get signed in. What you want to do is click on login then, and I've already signed up, so I'll just go ahead and click on login here, and it gets us logged in. And then once we get logged in up here, you can see right up here at the top, right here where my mouse is, guys, you see where it says upload video right there. What you want to do is you want to click on that. Now, what I want to point out to you guys is right here, it says as a Brighteon new user, your account is limited to 50 videos. So you're going to probably be using all 50 of those slots, those video slots on this site, because the more videos and CLICKBANK products you upload on this site, well, the more money you're going to have an opportunity to make. It's a volume game, guys. Anything to do with affiliate marketing is always a volume game. It's doing it over and over and over again many times so that you can attract more traffic to your affiliate links, right? So when you use up all 50 of these, how do you get another 50 without paying for it? Well, the thing you do is you just create a brand new account with a different email address, and you'll get another 50 videos that you can upload here. That'll get you to 100. You can do the same thing over and over and over. So you can put up many tens of videos on this site with your CLICKBANK links, right? All right, so well, once we get here, then what we want to do is we're going to click here and drag. We can drag or drop our video in here. So if I come over here and I open up my File Explorer where I did download that video, and I come to downloads, you can see that it's right here. And if it'll let me, it's not going to let me do it right there. So if I can come down and drag it up here, grab it and drag it right here and drop it right there. And you can see that it's uploading it on the site there, guys. And then as it's uploading, then for our title, guys, we're going to put in our information here. And for our title here, we want to come back, and we'll just come back, and I'll just use the title right off the video right here. And we'll just copy that. Alrighty. And I lost my video thing here, Brighteon, there it is. And we'll come back and we'll paste that title in right there. And then right here, we'll just type in here, discover my secret way to lose weight fast. Right there. And then what we're going to do is we're going to come back to CLICKBANK, right? We're going to get our affiliate link. So we're exit here and click promote right here. And make sure that your account nickname is in the box here. If you want to use a tracking ID, you can do that. And then click on create the hop link, and it gives us the old ugly long CLICKBANK link here, guys. So we'll click on copy and then close that out. And then we're going to bring it over here to, like I told you earlier, we're going to bring it to tiny URL. We're going to shorten it up, make it look a little nicer. And then we'll just click right there. And then, of course, it always brings this out. And then we'll click right here. Here's our nice little short link there. We're going to copy that. And I always tell you guys, you want to make sure that these links work like they're supposed to. So test it out. And sure enough, it does. It has my affiliate nickname in the URL right there, and it brings them over in this nice sales page that they can check this out right here for exit here. So we're going to be done with that. So we know it works. And we'll come back to Brighteon, and we're going to paste that affiliate link right in there, our tiny URL link, just like that. And then you want to put in some keywords, guys, like weight loss, belly fat loss, and just how about lose weight? You know, about 3 different keywords. Any keywords that you think people will type in the search engine and make your video come up so that they can watch it, right? And then you want to make sure it's set to public here, not private. You can choose a category if you'd like. I think I'm just going to go ahead and choose the be the health and medicine right here, or food recipes. Could put it in there. How about, I'm going to go with food recipes, and then schedule the settings. Let's see here. I don't think we'll need to mess with that. We're going to leave that go. And we don't want to hide the video, so we're not going to put any kind of scheduling in there. The e-commerce settings, we'll just leave it at free for right now. And I think that should be it. Now you can put a thumbnail in here if you want, guys. You can upload an image. You can create a thumbnail on Canva.com. You can take probably a thumbnail if you want to take a picture, maybe off the, come back, like maybe take this picture right here. You can use any thumbnail that you want and upload it right here, and with this upload image right here. And then after that, it's just a matter of saving the video, guys. It says over here, video is processing, and it says here you can now upload 50 videos in one of 50. And then so that's how you do that, guys. It'll be approved here in a little bit, and it'll be approved, and it'll be up on the site, and you'll have one video done with your affiliate link in there, guys, and with opportunity to make money. Remember, you just want to do it over and over and over again, and so on and so forth. So, guys, that's the video I had for you today. That's the method I had for you. It's a really good method on a high traffic site, and you should be able to put a bunch of videos with your affiliate links up there and make some good money. Alrighty, guys, remember, you can do this with a Digistore 24, any affiliate product you want to do it with. Just make sure that you're using Creative Commons videos off of this, and so on and so forth. So, guys, also, if you like that video, reach down there and give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button down there at the bottom of your video to subscribe to my channel, and click that little notification bell there right beside it so that you get notified when I upload new videos, which I do fairly regularly here on this channel for you guys. All right, well, guys, I'm going to let you go with that. Also, if you want to have any comments about the video, leave them down there below in the comment section. I'll get back with you on that as soon as I can. And if you want to learn how to do high-ticket affiliate marketing, where you can have the chance to make thousands per day, and you want to learn how to do that, well, click down there in the top of my description where it says mentorwithkev.com, and come over and check out my free video presentation that will show you how you can learn to become a high-ticket affiliate marketer starting today as well. Alrighty, guys. Well, guys, I'm going to let you go with that, and I'll see you again here in a little while later on the next exciting money-making video. Don't forget to watch these videos up here that are popping up, guys, up there, and they'll help you make money online as well. Alrighty, guys. I'll see you later. Have a great day, and bye-bye now.